This is Swissy, and this was the last week's price action, the trend line. So this Swissy also gave a nice setup. Yesterday it dropped, and then there was a pullback retracement. Here the drop, the break of the trend line, and then a nice retracement, and it dropped again. So this is similar to Euro, but the opposite way. If you look at 15 minutes, you can see it dropped and retracement. So this is the previous day low. Here there was an entry here, just similar to Euro, but this was a sell, Euro was a buy. So this was and the timing was also same, around 9:45, and the same thing goes for New York entry. There's a retracement towards this previous day low. So this one was around 8:30. This was the 8:30 candle. This low here, let me zoom in. So this here, it broke, market structure broke this low, this swing low, similar to Euro, swing high. So this is a swing low, broke, and then there was a retracement here. This was at 9 a.m. There, 9 a.m. This retracement, and there's another one here, and this is the final one. You can see the wicks, the rejection, and also this previous day low here. There's another one, this bullish candle here going towards the level, the previous day low. This is a trade here, and this is the New York. So this one gave a nice setup, break of the trend line, retracement. So always look to take a trade around here. This when it's dropping like this, normally we would not take a trade. We always take a trade around here, this part here, retracement, and to take advantage of this move, which is this one. Okay. USDX also gave a nice setup. This is previous week, the trend line. So it broke the trend line, retracement. It broke the trend line yesterday, retracement. See all the wicks here, and then this morning, yeah, 8:15. This one here. This is the swing low. It broke here, retracement. This is previous day low, which acts as resistance. So it gave up nice pullback. This was during New York, and it dropped. So it's down there. UCAD also gave a nice setup. It broke the trend line, and retracement. There, this is the retracement, and it dropped. Broke the trend line, retracement. This one did not respect the previous day low. Just a small, This is the only retracement here. It didn't really give a proper pullback. So it's low. It broke here. The next candle, it didn't really give a nice retracement. This is the low, swing low. So it broke, and this was a nice pullback here. This was during New York. This pair is active during New York, so there was a nice pullback and it dropped. Kiwi gave up. Let me just draw here. Kiwi did break the trend line. Okay, it did break, but the pullback, the retracement, it really went low. Can you see here? It did this. I think I mentioned on the other video you can do this. So anyway, it did not work out, so it dropped this way. And since it's a steep move down, and I've drawn this trend line here connecting the this high to this lower high, so let's see whether they can retest and then either it breaks or continue moving down. Aussie, yeah, it did drop, and then it just broke a bit and then it dropped. So anyway, I was not expecting this to rally, so that's why I had a drop here. I drew this just a move up and then moving down, so it did move down. So this is a steep move down, so let's see. I mean, there's not much here left. Either it breaks this trend line, move up, or continue moving down. Cable was not a good pair to trade because it is still in this range and it's trading within this expanded. So the trend line was this way. It did break the trend line, and it did give a higher low, but euro was making the move today, so this was like on hold. So this is like, I don't like this setup, even though it's on a higher, it is given a higher low, unless it breaks this high. So this is, won't be doing anything with this, but it did give a nice bounce from this trend line, this previous, which I connected here. So there was a nice bounce off from here. So I expected this to give this, break the trend line, retrace and move up, but what it's doing now is only this part here. It's not doing this yet. As you can see, this pair is, this is the low, higher low, and it was this way. This is Euro GBP, so it broke the trend line and it moved up. Again, it's still in this consolidation, so that's why cable was on hold, didn't really rally because this was rallying. This is yesterday, retracement, and then today. Okay, that's all for now.